Welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to discuss if your touch screen is not working, then what will you do, because at that time you will not able to do any operations with touch. So at that time, if you have any Android mobile, first thing what you will do, just power off button, press it on for some time, then power off and on it will restart, but touch is not working, so press it for long time. For pressing it long time, it will restart. And now when it will restart, touch should work. Let us wait until it restarts. So it has now restarted. If your touch is working, then it is okay. If it is not working, then this is power plus minus. You have to keep it pressed until it switched off, and just remove when it is switching off. At that time only you have to remove it, otherwise it will go into the fast boot mode. So let us give a try. Press it. Okay, yes, now just leave it. So now it will again restart. It has been now restarted. If it is not restarting and going into the fast boot mode, then press power on button, keep pressed for 13-14 seconds, 15 seconds, and then it will restart. So let us wait for. So it has started now, it is on now. If after doing this it is not working still, then what you need to do, plus and power on. You have to keep it pressed for some time, and it will again restart. Okay, now as soon as it is going, you should just leave it. Now it will restart, and your touch should work now. So it has been restarted. Just enter here, otherwise it will if touch is not working, cannot enter. In that case, after 3 attempts it is not working, then you need to go to the repair shop, and if it is working, then you can also test by dialing star hash 6484 hash star, then go to the here and go to the 1 touch sensor, and from here you can test it. You can go to the every corner and you can test it like that, and from here you can verify that your touch is working or not. Okay, that's all. This is what I wanted to tell you. If your touch is not working, you can try these things. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.